People stress about Telegram channels. People are creating Telegram channels day in, day out. What at all are they getting from Telegram channels? People keep asking, and I even wonder myself, what at all do we get from these Telegram channels? Do they pay or they don't pay? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, today we're talking about Telegram Messenger. A few people have been asking me, Ralph, Telegram. I've been seeing Telegram channels day in, day out. People have been forwarding Telegram channels on Twitter, Facebook, IG, everywhere. People have been hyping their Telegram channels everywhere. So me myself, I was wondering, is it that Telegram are running some sort of payment system that we don't know about? Why don't we find out? Why don't we also try and then enter into it? So I started my research. Does Telegram Messenger pay for their channels or not? Then it was funny, I saw some weird answers. I saw some the point is that Telegram Messenger doesn't pay. Yes, I said it. Telegram Messenger, they don't pay shit. They don't pay anybody anything. You don't make money with Telegram channels like you do with YouTube channels. YouTube channel, at least when you start your YouTube channel, you know that you need to get your content right, be posting consecutively. You have to be consistent. Yes, you have to be consistent. You need to do one or two. At least that when you start your channel, you can grow, and then at a point in time you start making some good money. We all know that about YouTube. But with Telegram Messenger or with Telegram channels, no. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but people stress about creating Telegram channels not to make money from Telegram directly, but for their own personal, should I say selfish? Yes, some people are selfish. For their own personal, selfish, some fraudulent reasons. Yes. In Africa here, most of us tag Telegram as a fraud app, or an app for fraud people who fraud people, or scammers, or because in Ghana here, or I don't know, in my neighborhood here, when you open Telegram Messenger, you see like a list of channels you belong to. Like 90% or 80% of that list would be cryptocurrency channels, and then maybe betting channels, sports betting channels. And these channels will tell you that bring your money, come and invest this, you get this, come and invest this, you get this. Betting channels will be like pay money for them to send you a bet slip or whatever, bet code or whatever thing you can use to stake your bets to win big. They'll take their money, give you some games to stake, like they are playing on the pitch. They'll tell you this is sure bet. Then you use your money, you go and pay with your money to buy this sure bet. You go and stake, and then we'll chop you. So like, these are some of the reasons why people create Telegram channels, and I am here to tell you that a Telegram channel is not a channel that, like I said, it's not like YouTube that you know that at a point when as you are growing, you'll be getting something from YouTube. Telegram is like the moment you start, or the moment you create your channel, you're on your own. When you are able to build your channel, I mean, these movie channels, one thing I like about Telegram is that at least when you have Telegram on your phone and you want to get a movie or download a movie, you don't have to even go to a website or go and stress yourself looking for some website to download your movie. You just search for a movie channel or something in the search box, you enter the channel, you download whatever movie you download, you get out. If you want to stay, you stay, because they keep posting updates. That's one thing I like about Telegram Messenger. You get to receive latest movies without stressing. You just turn on your notification for that particular channel, and just wait. You'll be there, you hear your notification, this movie has been released, this movie has been, you go and download it. If you want to watch on your phone, you watch on your phone. If you want to transfer it onto your laptop or TV or whatever, you do, and you watch your movie peacefully. That's one thing I like about Telegram Messenger. Aside that, okay, maybe music, maybe music too, but music isn't really a focus right now. So aside the movie channels and let's say some genuine cryptocurrency channels, the rest full scam. You get it? So you stress yourself to create your channel, and then you build your channel up to a certain stage. Let's say you build it up to like 20,000 subscribers. Then you now have to decide for your audience what you want to post. Maybe you want to advertise. Maybe you are into buying and selling, and you want to advertise. When you're able to build your channel to that stage, at least you have like 20,000 people at your disposal. You can just drop an ad. You never know who your next client will be. You can just drop your ads in there, and anything worth selling, anything you are in. It could be that if people normally start with movie channels. I know a friend who had a movie channel. He has been posting latest movies. So he did that for some time, and then he got like almost 100,000 subscribers. Then all of a sudden he changed everything. He changed the channel name. He stopped doing the movie thing, and then he created a YouTube channel, and then he was posting his YouTube videos there, like with the links. So he would do a video, post, and I don't know how that would be of advantage to him, but then that's the path he chose. And from the looks of things, it was going well, because if you have a dedicated audience of almost 100,000 subscribers, it means anything worth advertising you post there, at least you get 20 or 30% of them to support. That's the advantage. Same way, I have people who have tried creating betting platforms, and it has gone well for them. I mean, there was this guy once on Twitter, Oswald. He created he was dropping tips on Twitter, and then boys were winning, so he looked sharp, and then he created a Telegram channel, and then within a space of 24 hours he got like almost 50,000 subscribers. And within that same space of 24 hours, he stopped the bets, and then he created a YouTube channel about IT and database, those ones and zeros things. So he created a channel about IT and stuff. And up to now, people are still in the channel. People, when he drops a link, people still comment, people still vibe with the channel and all that. So you get to decide for yourself what you want to do with your audience once you're able to create or build up your audience to that level. You get it? You can start a Telegram channel today. You can't build it up if you don't have the time to build it up. You can't. You need to do something which will catch the eye of people. If you want to start with movies, be posting updates. You be posting like current movies, something which will make people want to subscribe to your channel. Like I said, it's not like YouTube. You can't go and post movies there. They'll block you before you even know it. So Telegram has this non-copyright, even Telegram has copyright, but then it's not that strict, unless maybe that particular movie they are strict on it. I remember like this movie, I forgot him, but then some movie came recently, and then the movie channels I'm in, they came to drop in the channel that due to copyright, blah blah blah, they need to remove the movie and blah blah blah. I don't really understand that side. I mean, I'll do more research and then probably do a video on that too. So copyright works in Telegram, but it's not as strict. So you can just start by gaining the people. If you want to gain them through movies, music, games, another fun thing, games, betting platforms, cryptocurrency platforms, financial platforms, a whole lot of platforms you can start, and then you can create and get people depending on how hard you work on that. So back to the point, when I saw these kind of channels, I was wondering why would people stress themselves to create a channel where you're not even getting paid. Then it hits me that no, when you create the channel and then you're able to build up the audience, you get to choose what you want to do with the audience. Anything you want to do, if you want to advertise, you want to post. People have porn channels on Telegram. People have porn channels. People have channels for sex tips and stuff, which I don't know. They also have their audience. I mean, you can join a porn channel and you see over thousands of subscribers. They also have their audience. You get it. So it all begins with how you get to build up on your audience and how you get to catch their attention. So the question about Telegram paying you for a channel, no, it's a no. Telegram won't pay you for a channel. Telegram is not like YouTube. They won't pay you for your channel. YouTube will pay you. Telegram won't pay you. So Telegram, you have to figure out what you want to do with your subscribers once you get them. It's like you are using your own sense to get your money there. Once you create your channel, you're on your own. At least that's what I learned on the internet about Telegram Messenger. And so yes, if you have time to do that, do it. Just do it. Nobody is on you not to do. Nobody is telling you not to do it. If you have time to do that, do it. But if you don't have time to and you think you can do it, you do. Just that Telegram doesn't pay. See you in the next video. Bye bye.